Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture number BEE 1.8, I am going to talk about the mutual inductance and coupling coefficient and some numerical related with this mutual and coupling coefficient. Thank you. So, the objective of this lecture, after studying this presentation, you will be able to understand what is a mutual inductance, some formulas related with the mutual inductance, and concept of coupling coefficient. If the two coils connected in two coils placed in the magnetic field, so some flux of first coil will link with the second coil and some flux of second coil will link with the first coil. So this, what is the linking, that is the coupling coefficient we will discuss. Now, what is a mutual inductance? If current is changed in one coil, the EMF will be induced in the other coil. This concept is called as mutual induced EMF. Okay? So if you are changing the current in one coil and due to that अगर EMF induce हो रहा है दूसरी coil में, दूसरी coil कहाँ होनी चाहिए? It should be placed in the same magnetic field. Then and then only EMF will be induced. Okay? So this EMF is called as mutual induced EMF. We have already discussed this. Now, what is a mutual inductance? That is an important part. A generally examiner asks this question: what is the mutual inductance? It is defined as the property between the two coils. It is not the property of the first coil or it is a property of the second coil. It is the property between the two coils due to which it induces an EMF in one coil due to the change of current or flux in the other coil, right? Which is placed near to the first coil. This property is called as mutual inductance, M. Right? The mutual inductance between the two coils can be defined. Actually, तो अगर examiner पूछता है आपको तो you have to write this definition. It is a property between the two coil due to which it induces an EMF in the second coil due to the change of current or flux in the first coil or vice versa. Right? ओके बट इसके अलावा तीन डेफिनेशन और हैं एक्चुअली तीन डेफिनेशन नहीं तीन फार्मूलाज हैं इट इज यूज्ड टू सॉल्व द न्यूमेरिकल ऑन द सेम लाइन ऑफ द सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस सो फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस क्या थी इट इज वेबर टर्न्स ऑफ पर एम्पियर L phi by L equal to what it was L equal to क्या था वहां पर N phi by I. L equal to inductance, self inductance was N phi by I or Weber turns per ampere. But यहाँ पर दो coil हैं तो दोनों में 1 और 2 आने वाला है. Clear? So it is Weber turns of the second coil due to the change of current in the first coil. Right? It is the Weber turns of the first coil due to the change of current in the second coil. Same N phi by I. Because of I1 क्या फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है phi1 क्लियर किससे लिंक कर रहा है N2 टर्न से सेकंड कॉइल से सो N2 phi1 क्या हुआ ये वेबर टर्न्स ऑफ सेकंड कॉइल हो गया किसके कारण प्रोड्यूस हुआ था फर्स्ट कॉइल के कारण राइट सो इट इज द वेबर टर्न्स ऑफ द सेकंड कॉइल ड्यू टू द चेंज ऑफ करंट इन द फर्स्ट कॉइल और वेबर टर्न्स ऑफ द फर्स्ट कॉइल इट इज N1 मतलब फर्स्ट कॉइल ड्यू टू द चेंज ऑफ करंट इन द सेकंड कॉइल अभी ये आई एम अज्यूमिंग 100% फ्लक्स लिंक हो रहा है बट जनरली इट इज नॉट 100% इन ट्रांसफार्मर इफ सेम फ्लक्स इज देयर सो 100% लिंक होगा बट इन जनरल अगर एक ही मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में है तो 100% लिंक ना होगा कुछ फ्रैक्शन लिंक होता है मे बी 60% मे बी 70% व्हाटएवर देयर but here we are assuming 100% right so m equal to n2 phi1 by I1 or n1 phi2 by I2 right second definition m equal to what n2 phi1 by I1 and phi1 क्या होता है n1 I1 by s phi1 equal to what ni upon s ओके n1 I1 upon s so ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करते हैं तो क्या आएगा m equal to what you will get m equal to n2 phi1 की वैल्यू क्या है n1 I1 by s और यहाँ क्या था N2 phi1 by I1, यहाँ भी I1 है. So this I1 or this I1 will be cancelled. So you will get N2 upon S. So you will get this M equal to what? N1 upon N2, N1 into N2 upon S. वहां पर क्या था सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस में? सेकंड डेफिनेशन वहां पर था N स्क्वायर अपॉन S. यहाँ वो N स्क्वायर के बदले में N1 into N2 upon S हो गया. Is it clear? So both definitions are same. This is the second definition. Third definition. Since M equal to what? M equal to N2 phi1 by I1, N2 phi1 by I1. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आएगा M I1 इक्वल टू N2 phi1, राइट. अगर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करें, इफ वी डिफरेंशिएट बोथ साइड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, सो डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा ये N2 d phi1 by dt, दिस वन, और ये क्या आएगा M di1 by dt. वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. इंडिकेटिव साइन का मतलब क्या है? वॉट एवर द ईएमएफ इंड्यूस इट अपोजेस द कॉज. बट यहाँ पर देखो 2 भी आ रहा 1 भी आ रहा, तो सेल्फ इंड्यूस्ड है कि म्यूचुअल है? म्यूचुअल इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ. इसके बदले हमने क्या लिखा? म्यूचुअल इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ N2 d phi1 by dt इक्वल टू EM इक्वल टू M di1 by dt. माइनस साइन यहाँ मतलब नहीं. माइनस साइन का मतलब क्या है? ओनली इट अपोजेस द कॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू लेंजेस लॉ. So EM equal to what? M di1 by dt or M di by dt. This is the formula I am getting. Okay, this is the third definition. वहां पर क्या था? EL equal to L di by dt था. EL equal to क्या था? L di by dt. यहाँ M di1 by dt या M di2 by dt, whatever they are. Okay, so these are the three definitions of mutual inductance. These will be used to solve some numerical, right? So I'm going to rub it. Okay. Next, I'm going to talk about the coupling coefficient. What is a coupling coefficient? See here, agar we have given two coils and both coils are not connected. Both coils are placed in the same magnetic field. You can say this is the coil and another coil. This is having the number of turns N1. Second coil is having the number of turns N2. Clear? And इसका इंडक्टेंस सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस आई एम अज्यूमिंग L1 है. I am assuming self inductance of the second coil is L2 है. Number of turns N1 N2 है. Okay. Now you can say I am supplying the current I1 only here. First coil में. So it will produce a flux phi1. You can say this is the flux produced phi1. Right? Phi1 produce कर रहा है. यहाँ तक no problem. Some flux here. Clear? Some flux is okay, but some flux of this, okay, link with the some here also. Some flux will link with the here also. Some, it is not linking with the 100%. Some flux is linking here. Let us say K1 fraction of this. K1 part of this flux links with the second coil N2. K1 fraction, maybe 20%, maybe 30%. I am assuming it is K1. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस क्या होगा? म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस क्या होगा? Because of I1, phi1 is producing. इसका कितना फ्रैक्शन? K1 फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस फ्लक्स. K1 phi1 किससे लिंक कर रहा है? N2 से. क्लियर? सो म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस क्या होगा? N2 K1 phi1 upon I1. That is a definition we have studied. Okay, first definition. But वहां पर 100% लिया था, यहाँ पर K1 fraction लिया है. Equation number 1. On the same line, I am supplying the current I2 in the second coil. Suppose करो I am supplying the current I2 in the second coil. It will produce a flux phi2. Here phi2 produce हो रहा है. या phi 2 इससे लिंक कर रहा है, क्लियर. बट सम फ्लक्स ऑफ phi 2 लिंकिंग विद दिस कॉइल आल्सो. हियर कितना फ्रैक्शन, I am assuming K2 fraction of this phi 2 linking with the first coil also. Clear? So इसमें क्या आएगा, अगेन म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस आ जाएगा. व्हाट इज द म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस? M equal to what? Because of I2 flux produces K2 phi 2. K2 fraction of this flux phi 2, K2 phi 2 किससे लिंक कर रहा है? N1 से. तो इट इज म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस. N1 से कितना लिंक कर रहा है फ्लक्स? K2 phi 2. किसके कारण प्रोड्यूस हुआ था? I2 के कारण. सो M इक्वल टू ये आ गया आपका सेकंड इक्वल. अगर इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ सो क्या आएगा? M स्क्वायर. क्लियर. यहां पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो K1 K2 N1 N2 N1 phi 1 N2 phi 2 और अपान I1 I2 सब मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 1 और 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ये आएगा. नाउ यू कैन से K1 K2 ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. N1 phi 1 by I1 क्या होता है? L1. N2 phi 2 by I2 क्या होता है? L2. So you will get M square equal to K1 K2 into L1 L2. अगर आप इसका अंडर रूट लेंगे तो you will get M. यहाँ अंडर रूट क्या आएगा? रूट K1 K2 रूट L1 L2. I am assuming root K1 K2 equal to, let us assume one constant K called as coupling coefficient. Root K1 K2 is called as coupling coefficient say K. So you will get M equal to K into root L1 L2 or K equal to what? M upon root L1 L2, right? K equal to what? M upon root L1 L2. This is called as coupling coefficient. This is called as coupling coefficient. So this is very simple derivation and it is really very, very important to solve the numerical as well as the examination point of view. And this is very simple also. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm just erasing it. So this is over. Now I am going to talk about some numerical based on self-inductance formula. 3 formulas we have discussed. 3 formulas for mutual inductance and 1 formula for coupling coefficient. So I am going to discuss about this. So example number 1. A non-magnetic core, please. A non-magnetic core. Whenever we say it is a non-magnetic core means mu r equal to what? Mu r equal to 1. Mu r equal to 1. If it is a magnetic core, it will have some mu r equal to some value. But non-magnetic core, maybe plastic, maybe wood, maybe air, maybe vacuum, सबके लिए mu r क्या है? 1 है, right? Has a core length of 100 centimeter. Core length of 100 centimeter मतलब length is given 100 centimeter means 1 meter. I don't want in centimeter. I want in MKS system, meter, kg, second system. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Clear? Okay. Area is given. Cross sectional area is given 20 centimeter square. Again I want meter square. So 20 centimeter square मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? 20 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. N is given 500 tons. N is given 500 tons. कौन सा फार्मूला करोगे? Find the self inductance. I know self inductance की we have 3 definitions. L equal to N phi by I, first one. Second L equal to N square upon S. S equal to L upon mu 0 mu r A. So you all these things are given. So we will use the second definition. L equal to what? L equal to N square upon L upon mu 0 mu r A. N square upon S. N square into mu 0 mu r A ऊपर जाएंगे upon 1. Just you have to put the value. N square is given 500 square upon L is 1. ये ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. mu 0 होता 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. Mu r is given 1. It is not shown here, but it is 1. Area is given 20 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Use the calculator, you will get 0.628 Henry. Find the self inductance, 0.628 Henry. Right? I am erasing it. Okay. Second problem I am going to talk about. A flux of, just I am going to use it, a flux of 0.5 milliweber, clear, is produced by a core of 900 turns wound on a ring with a current of 3 ampere. N is given, phi is given, I is given. Okay, so based on that, just wait. Based on that, calculate the self inductance of the coil. We know the formula L equal to what? N phi by I. So N is given 900, phi is given 0.5 milliweber, 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 milliweber, और I by I कितना दिया है? It is given 3 ampere. So N phi by I, you will get 0.15 Henry. Clear? Second, EMF induced in the coil when a current of 5 ampere is switched off. इसका मतलब है 5 एम्पियर फ्लो हो रहा था, स्विच ऑफ हो जाएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? 0. 5 करंट इज स्विच्ड ऑफ, 5 एम्पियर it was flowing, switched off मतलब 0. Assuming the current to 0 in 1 millisecond. So you know the formula E equal to L di by dt. E equal to third definition of self inductance, E equal to L di by dt. L we have calculated 0.15. DI चेंज ऑफ करंट कितना, स्विच ऑफ कर रहे हैं, कितना फ्लो हो रहा था? 5 एम्पियर. स्विच ऑफ करोगे तो चेंज क्या होगा? 5 माइनस 0, दैट इज 5. क्लियर? और कितने मिली सेकेंड में? 1 मिली सेकेंड में. 1 इंटू 10 रेज़्ड टू पावर माइनस 3. सो यू विल गेट 750 वोल्ट. थर्ड, म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस बिटवीन द कॉइल्स कैलकुलेट करना है, एम कैलकुलेट करना है. इफ सेकेंड कॉइल 600 टर्न्स uniformly wound over the first coil. Mutual inductance M equal to क्या होता है? N1 is given 900, N2 is given, clear? Phi 1 was given, I1 was given. So तो ये हो गया M equal to what? N2 phi 1 by I1, right? N2 phi 1 by I1. First definition of mutual inductance. I1 was given, I1 कितना था? 3 एम्पियर, राइट. N2 कितना है? 600 टर्न्स, राइट. phi 1 कितना था? 0.5 milliweber. So 0.5 milliweber, you will get 0.1 Henry. So it is very simple. Okay, I'm erasing it. Okay, next presentation I am going to talk about example number 3. A coil of 150 turns with a flux of 0.01 weber when carrying a current of 10 amperes. Calculate the inductance of the coil. We know the first definition, L equal to N phi by I. N is given, phi is given, I is given. N phi by I. N is given 150, phi is given 0.01 Weber, I is given 10 ampere. You will get 0.15 Henry. Okay. If this current मतलब 10 ampere is uniformly reversed. रिवर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्मली रिवर्स. रिवर्स मतलब 10 से -10. 10 एम्पियर था, रिवर्स मतलब -10 गया. इसका मतलब कितना चेंज आ गया? 20 एम्पियर. 10 माइनस -10 इक्वल टू 20 एम्पियर. दैट द चेंज ऑफ करंट DI. इफ दिस करंट इज यूनिफॉर्मली रिवर्स इन 0.01 सेकेंड, मतलब DT है. Calculate the induced EMF. कौन सा self induced EMF? So EL equal to, we know the formula L di by dt. L कितना है 0.15 हेनरी, di कितना है चेंज ऑफ करंट 20, dt कितना कितने सेकंड में 0.01 सेकंड में. So 0.01 you will get 300 volt. No need of sign, negative sign, only magnitude 300 volt. Clear? Negative sign का मतलब क्या? Whatever the EMF induced, it opposes the cause, right? If the second coil of 100 turns is uniformly wound over the first coil, find the mutual. M equal to N2 phi1 by I1. N2 कितना है 100, phi1 कितना था 0.01, I1 कितना था 10. You will get 0.1 Henry. Clear? Same problem, just slight change is there. Okay, so you can solve this problem again. Sorry, I'm just erasing it. Okay, next problem I'm going to talk. A solenoid of 1 meter in length and 10 centimeter in diameter has 500 turns. Length is given, diameter is given, area, diameter मतलब area you can find, turns is given. Find the self inductance. Self inductance का formula क्या है? N square upon S. Sorry, it is not N2, N square. It is N square upon S. S equal to क्या होता है? L upon mu 0 mu R A. L length is given, area is given. Clear? Sorry. So assume non-magnetic core. Sometimes it is not given. If it is not given, you can say non-magnetic core. You can assume. So mu r is not given. इसका मतलब non-magnetic core के लिए कितना होता है? mu r 1. Okay, so it is 1. Just value put करना है. L equal to n square. It is not n2. It is n square. Sorry, it is not 1. It is not n2. It is n square upon S. S equal to क्या होता है? L upon mu 0 mu r a. So n square into mu 0 mu r a numerator में आएगा upon length. N square is given 500 turns square. mu 0 होता है 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. Clear? mu r क्या है? It is given 1 because it is a non-magnetic core. Area क्या होता है? Diameter is given pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d कितना दिया? 10 सेंटीमीटर ना, 10 सेंटीमीटर. 10 सेंटीमीटर का मीटर में क्या होगा? 0.1 मीटर. I don't want in centimeter square, I want meter square. तो 0.1 का square. So you will get 2.467 millihenry. Clear? Okay, so I'm erasing it. ठीक है. Next problem I'm going to talk about is example number 4. Two coils A and B have self inductances of 120 microhenry and 300 microhenry. Two coils L1 and L2 is given. Two coils A and B have self inductances of 120 microhenry and 300 microhenry. A coil का इंडक्टेंस है L1 120 और B coil का इंडक्टेंस है 300 microhenry. A current of 1 ampere through coil A, I1 is given. Coil A 1 ampere is given. Produces flux linkage of 100 microweber turns in coil B. कहाँ चेंज कर रहे थे? कॉइल ए में, और ये कहाँ दिया है? कॉइल बी में. इसका मतलब कौन सा इंडक्टेंस पिक्चर में आएगा? म्यूचुअल. सो म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस बिटवीन द कॉइल पूछ रहा है. म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस क्या होता है? M इक्वल टू N2 phi1 by I1. क्या दिया है? 100 माइक्रोवेबर टर्न्स. ये डायरेक्ट N2 phi1 दिया है, माइक्रोवेबर टर्न्स दिया है. वेबर टर्न्स मतलब फ्लक्स एंड टर्न्स. सो 100 माइक्रोवेबर क्या है? ये N2 phi1 है. N2 phi1 टोटल मिला के 100 माइक्रो है in coil B upon I1 1. So you will get this 0.1 millihenry. Clear? Calculate the mutual inductance. Calculate the coupling coefficient. K equal to क्या होता है? M upon root L1 L2. K equal to M कितना दिया है? ऑलरेडी आपने निकाला 0.1 माइक्रो मीन्स -3, 10⁻³ और रूट L1 L2 क्या है, L1 दिया 120 माइक्रो मीन्स -6 और 300 micro means -6, 300 into 10⁻⁻6. So if you solve it, you will get 0.527 K. K will always be less than 1, maybe 0.8, maybe 0.6, maybe 0.527, like that. Always less than 1. Third, average EMF induced in coil B if the current of 1 ampere in coil A is reversed. इसका मतलब है coil B में पूछ रहा है और करंट कहाँ चेंज हो रहा है, coil A में. तो ये क्या आएगा, म्यूचुअल इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ एम डी आई बाई डी टी. एम कितना है, एम कितना है 0.1 मिली हेनरी, 0.1 into 10⁻³ ओके. डी आई क्या है, व्हाट इज द चेंज ऑफ करंट ऑफ 1 एम्पियर इन कॉइल इज रिवर्स. रिवर्स का मतलब 1 से -1 जा रहा, मतलब 2 एम्पियर चेंज हो रहा है. 1 से -1 मतलब 2. ओके, कितने टाइम में, 0.1 सेकेंड में. So you will get 2 millivolt, right? Okay. So this is the very simple problems. Just read the problem carefully, use the calculator properly, you will get the answer, right? Okay, next I think all problems are over. Just basic concept I have taken, how to solve the numerical. Okay, so many problems are given in the book, maybe solved or unsolved by using this formula, but you have to read the problem carefully. Okay, these are the questions for assignment 1.8. Explain what do you understand by mutual inductance. I have already discussed in presentation. Second, derive the formula for coupling coefficient. We have already derived that formula for coupling coefficient. Okay, complete this assignment. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Okay.